What's up, gamers? Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about something that I know a lot of you have been interested in, building your very own gaming PC. Even if you're a beginner, don't worry. We're going to go through everything step by step to make it easy for you. Alright, so let's dive right into it. The first thing you need to consider is your budget. Building a gaming PC can get expensive, but it doesn't have to break the bank. There are plenty of options for every price range. Next, you need to decide on your CPU and GPU. These are the most important components of your gaming PC. For beginners, I recommend going with a mid-range option like the AMD Ryzen 5 5600X and the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660. These will give you great performance without costing too much. Now, let's talk about the other components that you'll need. Motherboard. For the motherboard, I recommend the MSI B450 Tomahawk Max. It's a great budget option that will work well with your CPU and GPU. RAM, you'll want at least 8 GB of RAM for a gaming PC, but I recommend going with 16 GB if you can afford it. For the RAM, I recommend the Crucial Ballistics 3200 MHz. Storage, you'll want both an SSD and an HDD for your gaming PC. For the SSD, I recommend the Kingston A2500 GB. For the HDD, I recommend the Seagate Barracuda 1TB. Power supply, you'll want a power supply that can handle your components without any issues. For a budget option, I recommend the EVGA 500W1. When it comes to actually building your PC, there are plenty of tutorials on YouTube that can guide you through the process. It might seem intimidating at first, but it's actually not as difficult as you might think. Just take your time, be patient, and follow the instructions carefully. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you and that you feel more confident about building your own gaming PC. If you did find this video helpful, then make sure to hit that like button and leave a comment down below letting me know what you think. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel so that you never miss out on any of my future videos. I make reviews and tutorials on all sorts of cool things, so if that's something that interests you, then you won't want to miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bonus tip. Here's an estimate of the cost of the components mentioned in the script. CPU, AMD Ryzen 5 5600X around $300. GPU, NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 around $250. Motherboard, MSI B450 Tomahawk Max around $120. RAM, Crucial Ballistics 16 GB 3200 MHz around $100. SSD, Kingston A2500 GB around $70. HDD, Seagate Barracuda 1TB around $50. Power supply, EVGA 500W1 around $50. So, the total cost of these components comes out to around $940. However, keep in mind that prices can fluctuate and vary depending on your location and current market conditions.